Paving breakers, handheld pneumatically driven tools designed for light to heavy demolition, concrete breaking, and street repair. Available in several weight classes, 30, 40, 60, and 90 pound. Based on a long-standing, simple, traditional rugged design. Features include a built-in oiler system. Certain models available with vibration-reduced handle systems. The required amount of CFM needed to run a paving breaker is dependent on the tool's size. 80 CFM is required to run one 90-pound breaker. 160 CFM is required to run two 90-pound breakers. 65 CFM is required to run one 60-pound breaker. 130 CFM is required to run two 60-pound breakers. 45 CFM is required to run one 40-pound breaker. 90 CFM is required to run two 40-pound breakers. 35 CFM is required to run one 30-pound breaker. 70 CFM is required to run two 30-pound breakers. Always use proper personal protective equipment when operating any and all APT equipment. Safety boots, hearing protection, safety glasses, high-vis safety vest, and gloves are required for operators and all personnel in the same work area. Always refer to the operator's manual and proper safety instructions. Prior to operating any tools, there are visual inspections you will want to make. Inspection must be performed by the operator prior to connecting to a power source. First, make sure that there are no missing, broken, or loose items. Make sure throttle lever does not stick or lock. Check the oil delivery system to ensure the percussion system has lubricating oil. Check the chisel is sharp, sized correctly, and securely locked. Check all accessories, make sure air hose and hose connections are in good condition and secured safely by means of safety clips and whip checks. To start, grip the tool handles firmly. Always have the chisel in contact with the workpiece. Depress throttle lever to actuate. Always release the throttle lever when workpiece is broken. No need to push. Let the weight of the tool do the work and concentrate on correct tool positioning and guidance. Best practice is to operate the tool at full throttle, achieving the highest impact. A 10 to 20 second burst is preferable. Less than 10 seconds may mean the tool is overpowerful, so you may consider a lighter tool to reduce operator fatigue. Greater than 20 seconds indicates the tool may be underpowered for the job. Consider going to a higher weight class. The heavier the tool, the heavier the hitting power. Always release the throttle lever when repositioning the tool. When finished operating the tool, switch off air supply via a shut-off switch. Before disconnecting, operate throttle lever. Make sure chisel is pointing to a work surface to purge any residual air trapped inside the tool and air hose. Remove chisel from the tool. Do not move tools while connected to the air supply. Seek assist on moving tools as some models are heavy. Check tools in same method as you would prior to use. Report any issues to your supervision should you have any concerns. Before renting out tools and equipment, consider the following: the scope of work being performed, available power supply, single or multi-tool crews, local restrictions, chisel tool type available required. Common accessories include noise-reducing mufflers, whip hose and oiler systems, service and repair kits for consumable items, bulk package oil, air compressors and hoses. Contact your local Herc rentals to rent breakers or for more information.